But we can take it from the other side of the bridge around this, alright? You can just take it from the other side. Sure. Awesomeness. Just needed some clarification. Alright, thank you.
Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture, and history. Jae says 87.6 is the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's legacy.
Well, gwaan Jae Squad, it's your boy Jae and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back to Jae Says 876. Alright guys, so I wanna just take a moment guys to just give you guys an update. As most of us would already know, there's a tropical storm that is in our waters and it is heading our way. It's tropical storm Melissa. I believe the name of the tropical storm is Melissa, and Melissa is just shy of our coast. Speculations are that, and according to the weather report also, is that the eastern southerly portion of Jamaica is definitely going to be experiencing the full force of Melissa. Now, the meteorological services center, they've given us heads up that around within the next 48 hours we'll start seeing the effects of Melissa. Now, I'm out here, and we're actually getting a little bit of what is to come, because the rain has started guys, and even though the rain has started, the check workers are still on the road working, and I believe this is due to the fact that they are trying to, you know, get as much surface, as much asphalt layered down before the heavy rains even start. So it's a race against time, it's a race against the clock guys, but I'm just gonna take my time and just show you guys some of the work that is taking place here in Eastern St. Thomas guys. So just stick and stay, and remember to like, subscribe, comment and share.
So yeah guys, we are in the Golden Grove area and just wanted to give you guys an opportunity to see some of the work that is taking place in this area. Yes.
Restricted area now.
Yes, sorry. Won't go any further. Alright, no problem. Yes. So alright. But we can take it from the other side of the bridge around this, alright? You can just take it from the other side. Sure. Awesomeness. Just needed some clarification. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so as you can tell, the level of work that is taking place in that area is a serious piece of work, because they've classified that area as a restricted area. With due reason as well guys, because safety is always paramount, né? So making sure that everybody is safe. So guys, though we're out in the rain right here guys, I wanted to just make sure that you guys see what is taking place. So this is like a bypass that we are on right now. There. So this is like a bypass that we are on right now, that they would have created for traffic flow due to the fact that they're working on the bridge. Alright guys, so I'm on the other side now guys, where the dig out would have taken place. So in the distance guys, I'm just gonna see if I can just show you what is left of where the bridge used to be. Let me just take a moment and just zoom in guys. So they've gone ahead and dug out where the bridge used to be. So that's where the bridge used to be guys, and that's where the road used to be. Take the opportunity now guys to just show you some work that is taking place down the road, because as I said before, they are trying to get the surface in as soon as possible guys, because the storm that is out there seems to be one that is going to dump a lot of rain and possibly some wind as well on the island of Jamaica, particularly in the parish of St. Thomas.
Shines, spread the day or night, from the cool hills to the ocean's view. Come visit our God's heart for you and me. Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. Taste the food.
Alright guys, we're not stick and stay right here in this location too long because copyright music is being played, alright? So yeah guys, we're just gonna just slide down the road just a little bit guys, and you know, just take our time and let you guys see the work that the check workers are putting down right now, as I had said in the intro, to, you know, get this road situated before the big rain comes. As I had said, it's a race against the clock, but I believe they can get most of it done if they apply themselves like how they always do. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about what is going on right now. You know, just tell me what you think about what is going on in regards to the roadworks, and if there are also any suggestions that you guys wanna include, then feel free guys to let me know as well. All right.
Share the love, let it grow. Bring your friends, let them know. So don't just watch, come join the cheer. St. Thomas welcomes everyone here. In our parish, there's a place for you. Let's share our joy in all we do. Sunshine we come alive. St. Thomas shines where the day or night. From the cool hills to...
Tell me what you think guys. Do you think that they'll be able to complete it before the major rain starts? If so, remember to drop a like, subscribe, comment and share. Hey man, tell a friend to tell a friend about Jae 876, the channel that gives you everything Jamaican and St. Thomas in particular, alright?
Taste the food, every dish done right. Come join the party with.
Also want to take an opportunity to give a big shout out to all the persons who have been supporting the channel for the past couple of years, and also for the persons who are just joining us for the first time. You are in tune and locked into Jae 876. So guys, I just pull up on another YouTuber a while ago. Well, I'm making people in see Ryan Rich.
Yes, bless up guys. You know, I want Ryan Rich Road Vlog out in Stokes. I give you guys another update.
Yeah.
Just subscribe to the channel. Just run go over Ryan Rich Road Vlog.
Right.
You have to see everything.
Alright.
It's all about Eastern St. Thomas, the whole entire St. Thomas. Between St. Thomas and Portland, you can get the update them. Just go over there, subscribe to the movement, share the content them, and leave a thought in the
Comment section though.
Yeah, in the comment section.
Don't. So you see guys, I know me alone out there do it though.
Yeah.
Other YouTubers out there in the arena do it too.
Some gone further, some
Yeah.
gone to Portland to them.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah man, clarity on them guys always.
Yeah,
I make the
this
long
time we are gonna Portland.
Yeah.
You know, we're not planning to do some serious paving,
Right,
but through the rain kind of fall,
right,
the road surface kind of messy.
Right,
Mess
right.
up the mall work.
right.
Some of
Resurface again and then
resurface and
I just tell the people them say them
We
lay
have
on a
some
new
back,
layer.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah man, Jae 876 on my channel.
oh
Yeah, I know you hear about Jae says, no. Yeah man, Jae 876. I will roll with clarity as well.
come Mr. Channel upon the YouTube with them.
Yeah man, it did man.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we're out here too.
Yeah,
One
man.
family bro.
Yeah man, cause you know say storm check.
Yeah, warning actually.
Yeah, warning.
Yeah, so I just say there, I
feel like so we get some heavy rain.
we'll get rain.
Some whole heap of rain.
I just tell my subscribers a while ago
serious
say
flood out here.
we'll get rain, a lot of rain,
Yeah.
and the possibility of some breeze as well.
Yeah, you get
Cause I was up, made it up in the round 5,
okay.
and it's like we are get maybe 45 minutes worth of breeze this morning.
Yeah, man,
To the
breeze.
point where planting drop down and all of them things. Like, so
Every them time
Alright.
we plant a drop down a heavy breeze.
right, so you know say
But you know one tomorrow watch what one.
a 48 hours then so then give
Yeah.
it. So
So-
it'll come.
That come as car, you see, You just give you a little warning, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But
you know some work you're saying, you know some serious preparation.
Yeah. Because a week ago the road didn't look so.
No.
Yeah, man, so...
We also went to dig up, you know.
Yeah.
The whole entire road not so far dig up.
But I didn't feel sick, you know, so I didn't come on the road, that's why. But I just free up a little bit, you know, I feel a little bit better, so I'm out the road.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I do the worst thing we could have possibly do. Yeah. Out the road, in the rain.
Okay.
But we love it.
Yeah, we love it too. What may I say? If you never the rain,
yeah.
The whole has to pave off.
Yes, that is true.
Yeah.
Because see, the inner the rain, them a pave down there, so.
Yeah.
I don't know if you catch that yet.
I'm not catch that.
Yeah, them a pave down there.
And it can't roll.
Because the water, all the on it same way, so it now dry.
No, it now dry fast. So you must bypass this, you know, probably tomorrow or Friday. If the sun come out. Yes. If we don't get no more shower and no more rain,
yeah,
they might do some work between Thursday and Friday.
Yeah.
I think you must go prepared, to go back.
Right.
About the roller, because this man is not prepared, because the mall,
right.
So my top part of mud. So I skim off the top part of it,
so that it can compact again.
But when the rain does come,
wet it up.
When down in the Golden Grove, you see the rain start drizzle.
Right.
So I say, I eat this, it spoil it back again. Can I spoil it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But
so my first wait till the sun come up back before them start.
Really do not serious work.
Yeah, do not serious work.
Yeah.
Because we don't know about tomorrow and Friday, or see whether I go stay, whether condition is serious, or it's a light, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because as them say, 48 hours them give away, so...
Yeah. 48 hours give away, that them give away.
Yeah.
When thunder start clapping.
Yeah.
When thunder start clapping and lightning start checking.
You know, so I eat that.
I eat that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's why they have to do some work for work today, man, but...
It does not work out that way there.
It doesn't work out like what to work out.
Right.
Yeah,
and remember, you know, we are one family, so we have to connect.
Yeah, man, you know, say... Alright. You know, say, I have a couple of youth work, otherwise I'm 30.
Yeah.
I'm Big Super, I'm Michael Super, and me, and Eastside. Yeah, Swickle.
You know Swicked, man?
Yeah, Swickle. But you have some new one that come.
Yeah.
Like, what they are sending them as a push out content, which is good.
But you're not small, you know? You know that?
You small, say
no, you're mad, man. And people are telling me from foreign say they subscribe to you. My mother subscribe to your channel, my friend.
Oh,
my auntie subscribe. My mother in the US, my auntie there Canada.
Okay.
And them tell me about your channel.
Okay, big up to all the people them who watch this and subscribe to my channel. Just put in the work, guys, you know.
Yeah.
It takes time, I take effort and dedication to do this type of work.
Yeah.
To put this type of content together.
Right.
It takes work for work.
Alright, so Ryan, you have nobody else where you would like to shout out? Anybody personal close to you or anything like that, we would love to just give a big shout out, or somebody who inspire you or anything.
Alright.
Just
Big up Big Super and Character Boss. The man behind me, he's kind of do this type of work. Kind of create this type of content. The man who tell me for to go out there and do the work. Because them influence me for do it now. Especially Big Super, you understand? Yeah. The man where say go out the man. I want to see a thing up, but put in the work. So we kind of have a show of respect to Super and Character Boss. And Eastside Media. Big up the whole St. Thomas Media team, Media House. The St. Thomas vloggers them. We are putting the work, big them up.
Yeah, man.
One love. You got me, guys? Yeah, Ryan with Road Vlogs. Just bigging up you guys across the board. And one team and one St. Thomas.
One team, one St. Thomas.
Yes.
Alright, guys, so you hear it from Ryan. So remember, guys, go check out his channel. I'm also gonna drop his link in the description of the video as well, so you guys can go check him out. Alright, guys, so yeah, man.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah,
you know, say come on and come out, see what gwaan, and make people know say I just the work reach.
Yeah, man. Jae says.
I mentioned to reach. Yes. Some things say I mean I start to Bath and Eastside.
Yeah, man, enough of way out here, man.
Yeah. But so two some man them like drive past and do everything.
Yeah.
I don't know say them are do thing.
The dashboard cam I did have it a while ago.
You see black car stopping and I say I don't know why cemetery them want to go or something.
No,
yeah.
stop
man.
and me turn and go back down at the bridge, but them tell me say the area restricted, so me can't go too far upon the bridge. So me just walk around the other side.
Yeah.
And just get whatever
Alright.
footage me need to get.
A bridge, yeah? Before it dig up,
One hole they did there.
that drop.
So I guess now them just all break it down.
Yeah.
And just do it the right way.
Make it look official.
Official.
So we are watch and see how the rain are gonna do. How the
You know this
flooding are gonna do.
season, yeah.
So if the rain fall, like how it fall, we'll give you guys an update.
Definitely.
From Portmore to Amityville.
Amityville, to show you what's going on.
Then spot there, dangerous spot, you know.
Particularly
And
out of
the
Bowden
crossing,
too.
eh?
Out of Bowden
And
as
Bowden
well.
too.
Yeah.
Them
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
The dangerous spot, kind of the swamp that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if the rain fall like how it fall,
We are
I'll
gonna
give you some
updates,
more.
man. Definitely, guys, you're gonna get a lot of updates from us,
Yeah,
because we are go out here and we are gonna look on it and tell you guys how it really say. Because persons were outside of Jamaica who want to see our home stay.
Yeah.
So we are showing on the place, man. Cause I phone it, you know. Anyone away we have YouTube channel, and not for we not do it for ourselves. We do it for Uno, cause
everybody
we
can
want
see it.
Uno can see it as
Whole
well.
world can see our
Yeah.
one in the eastern sentiment, entire
Yeah.
sentiment.
Yeah, yeah,
And guys, when the road finish, and 1, 2, 3 reach a Portland.
yeah.
Yeah man, quick and fast reach Port Anthony.
Right. Another thing we want to really just plug in right there, so as you say.
Yeah.
Yes, when the road fix, me I beg you, take on the time on the road.
Yeah.
Please, me I beg you, because for the past couple of months we see a lot of incidents where it take place just because they could surface up on the road. The man is not be careful. They're not driving with caution anymore.
No.
Car road did know if a man drive someone a speed. Me I beg you to cut back on the speed, guys, because as them always tell you, speed kills.
Yeah.
And we don't really want to death in a St. Thomas because of bad driving. Alright, guys, so thanks again, Rich.
Yeah man.
Pick up yourself on the road.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
So you take time out for those stuff.
Oh, yeah, say, bro, man. We are one family, you know,
Yeah,
so we have to do it. You understand?
Yeah.
So, I know say my people will go over there, and more than just say your people would even look out for Jae Squad 876 as well. Because
Yeah man,
as I say,
if I panic,
I one family. Alright, guys?
Yeah. Peace out.
Peace out.
Guys, safe on the ground.